Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. Oh my goodness, look at that. I have not been to the Dollar Tree in forever. So let me go ahead and show you everything that I got. I went looking for some of the red and white checker, the buffalo checks. No go, no go. That's what I get for waiting around. So let's go ahead. I have a 6-cup muffin tin. I got these to put some of my little pieces that I use for stamping to keep those separated. So we're going to try that because I always lose all the little pieces. I also picked up 3 of these plates. They are plastic, but I think we can make them look ceramic and do a little tiered plate with that for Christmas. What else do I have? Oh, you guys, if you remember, I made a, what would it be called? Like a memory candle. And I made it for you guys. It was great. I still have mine, but somehow the video disappeared. I bought stuff to make another one because I know so many of you guys asked where'd that video go. It just disappeared into YouTube land. I don't know what happened to it. But guess what? I did pick up this nice big vase. So you know what that means. That means it is time to start flipping things over because I've got glassware. So if we're not painting glassware or flipping things over, things aren't happening in Beauty and the Stamper channel. I did pick up one of these guys. So if you are going to want to do that memory Christmas candle, which I leave up all year long, grab one of these, and then grab one of the angel wings, you know, with the little feathers on them at the Dollar Tree. And then we will remake that. Scary thing happened while I'm undoing this. It wasn't scary. It was odd. You guys, my candle kept turning on. And I'd turn it off and it would turn on. And I'd turn it off and it would turn on. And it was odd. So I've got the smaller version of this as well. So there's 2. I probably could have grabbed a 3rd one. And I probably have a 3rd one in my stash. I probably have a 4th or 5th one in my stash. So, okay, I picked up 2 of these poinsettia clips. And that is because, you know, I've been working on my coffee bar, getting it ready for Christmas. And I have a banner that says coffee. And I think these would just look so cute on either end of that coffee banner. I also picked up this little ornament which has a clip on it, but I grabbed one of those. I don't know why yet. I also found this Merry and Bright little wooden plaque. I did grab a couple of these Christmas ball ornaments. And let's see, we'll find another one in here, I'm sure. Oh, they have these candles, you know, like the church kind of memory candles, but they don't have any, like, pictures on them. So they had them in white, red, and green. So picked up some of those. I did pick up some batteries for your candle. If you get any of the window candles, make sure you grab some batteries because they do need those. I picked up this Santa ornament. How cute is he? I use him every year. I always pick one up. Again, don't know what I'm going to do, but I always try and get different Santas too. Another red truck every year. My favorite. I love them. So I picked up another one of those. We've got that 2nd ball. What else do I have? For lighting the real candles, I've got the long and the short stem. I use them both all the time. They're kept in different areas because I always seem to burn my fingers. another of the craft bottles. They are plastic. I'm going to figure out a little gift with that. I'm going to be working on some stamping crafts and wanted to turn the Hershey chocolate bar. We've got a little baby making hey, noises. So we've got some little Hershey chocolate bars. Going to make some little gifts with that. This one, every year they come out with the cutest ones, and I have one of these from last year. Had to get another one from this year, which are the exact same thing. This one reminded me of you guys, so I had to pick that up. And it says, "Be your own beautiful." So I wish I could buy every single one of you your own little trinket tray. I picked up this pen. How cool is this pen? Just writing along. It's so Christmassy. It's those jingle bells. I'm like, I'm sure I could do something, take the top off and DIY it. Nope. I fell in love with the sound, and I'm going to be using it as a pen. And then, last but not least, really, it seems like it'd be last and least, but it's not, is white tissue paper. You guys, I'm going to be doing a video showing you how to create your own tissue paper and bags for Christmas, and it'll be so much fun. All right, that is everything I got. Usually I spend about $20. This time was about $30. But my friend, Mimi, actually was like, "I'd like to pay for all your DIY crafts this time." So it was awesome. You guys should check out her channel. She's brand new. It's called A Grandma Giggles. And so I'll actually put the link down below so you can, it's actually called Stampin' with a Grandma Giggles. So I'll put the link down below so you can check it out. All right, beauties. If you like Dollar Tree hauls, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you later. If you subscribed right there, you'll see me in my next video. Take care. Bye.